So I had an interesting question from someone a couple of days ago, and they asked me, they said, look, I've been sending out hundreds of emails and I'm not getting responses. What should I do? And it's an interesting question because I think this highlights a problem that we have in the way that we do outbound, the way that we've been trained to do outbound. And that is that we send out hundreds of emails expecting that's job done, that sending emails to folk is selling. Well, I'm sorry to tell you, it's not selling. That's just hiding behind email. And a 5% conversion rate is not what you're after. You're looking for an 80% conversion rate on the emails, the outreach that you're getting. But let me tell you this, is you need to start thinking about those emails as just part of your broader system, your broader selling system. So essentially, the email is purely to warm them up for your phone call. The phone call is purely to get the customer interested in taking a meeting with you. The meeting is purely to have the customer interested enough to perhaps trial your product. And the trial of the product is just enough so that they want to make an investment in you and your business. So we have to start thinking about selling as every step is just part of a wider system that we have. And certainly sending emails is not selling. It's just a very small part of what we do. So have a think about that and apply that to the way that you sell perhaps.